Hello my dear friends, I am Rizwan Khan from our YouTube channel Our Language School. Vocabulary in 5 minutes. Yes, this series and this is next video, and I am going to teach you very easy and very important vocabularies. But please do not forget to watch previous videos because practice is very important. And also one thing is very important, to subscribe my YouTube channel, very important, and very important is press bell icon, because you will get notifications, and this is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. And please like this video. So guys, let's start. Our first vocabulary is ready. Ready is तैयार. तैयार. Next is wash. Wash is धुलना. And next is attention. Attention is सावधान. Next is devil. Devil is शैतान. Next is easy. Easy is आसान. Next is difficult. Difficult is मुश्किल. And next is keep. Keep in Hindi is रखना. And next is servant. Servant is नौकर. And job. Job is नौकरी. And next is hope. Hope you can see two way. First is आशा. And next is उम्मीद. And next is possibility. Possibility is Sambhavna. And next is shoes. Shoes is जूता. And two shoes, जूते. Two or more, जूते. And sandal for girls, जूती. And two or more, जूतियाँ. And next, sleeper. Sleeper is chappal. And two or more sleepers, chappalein. And pair. Pair is joda for juta. For shoes, joda. For sandals means juti. Joda or jodi. So guys, repeat after me all. Ready is तैयार, and I'm listening to you. Please repeat after me. Wash is धुलना. Attention is सावधान. Devil is शैतान. Easy is आसान. Difficult is मुश्किल. Keep is रखना. Servant is नौकर. Job is नौकरी. Hope is उम्मीद और आशा. Possibility is संभावना. Shoes is जूता. Sandals is जूती. Slipper is चप्पल. Pair is जोड़ा. जोड़ी. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and now I'm going to ask two vocabulary and you have to give answer in comment box. First, you should tell me how to say difficult, and second, how to say in Hindi easy. And I will wait for your comment. I want to check you are learning Hindi seriously or not. I hope you are learning seriously. So thank you. See you in next video. Please, all my dear friends, do not forget to like my video, because your like is a big motivation for me, and I want to help so many people of the world for learning Hindi. So do not forget to share my video with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. Please don't forget to press red button to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for getting notifications of my new uploaded videos.